Well, here's the 84 S10 that we got to start working on. As you can see, she's a little dirty and she needs a little bit of work done to her, but other than that, I think it's a pretty solid truck. Frame's pretty solid. The cab corners and the rockers are pretty much gone, just like, well, pretty much every Chevrolet ever. And a little bit of crap in here. I mean, I have the dash pieces, and I did put the bucket seats in it and the tack and aftermarket steering wheel. I need to get my oh, I've got a shifter, aftermarket shifter. I already got the 2.8 pulled out of it, so just gotta clean this up in here. And I have the 350 in the garage. Just needs a couple little things, but not much at all. But this is what we got to start with.